Are you in the mood for a hunger-crushing pizza? Or are you in the mood for a mouth-watering pizza? Hunger-crushing pizza, mouth-watering pizza. Well, how about both? Because right now you can get the pizzone and a pizza for only $15.99. That's right, get a pizzone with over a pound of melted cheese and toppings folded in a pizza crust, and a mouth-watering medium one-topping pizza for just $15.99. Having both never tasted so good. America's favorite pizza. Pizza and order online.
It is decision day for voters in Sassy once again, and the school district is at stake. I want to emphasize the school district is at stake. For a third time, the district is asking property owners to pay their taxes to help pay for the school district. Voters say no for a third time. School leaders are saying the district could be shut down. Fox 11's Becky DeVries live on Fox 13, and Becky, what's election day been like so far?